In this video we will be unlocking the power of Google's new agentic development platform, Google Antigravity. Google Antigravity is designed to enhance developer productivity by leveraging large language models, like Gemini 3 Pro, to handle complex, end-to-end coding tasks. In simple terms, it has given normal VS Code the additional power of LLM models like Gemini 3, so that we could write code or build projects faster. In this video, we will quickly start from very basic Google Antigravity installation to creating this beautiful landing page using Google Antigravity in a matter of seconds. So, without wasting time, let me take you through the official website of Google Antigravity. Click on the first link for Google Antigravity homepage. To download, click on the download button at the top navigation bar. Choose your operating system. I am proceeding with Windows. Click on the first link, download for version 64. Wait till the download is over. The installation for Google Antigravity is same like VS Code. Simply follow the shown steps. After installation is complete, click on Finish. It will automatically launch Antigravity IDE. By default, I will start fresh and without changing anything I will go with whatever recommended by default. You need to log in using your Google account. For that you will be redirected to your browser. From there you can log in and again get back to your IDE. Choose a particular folder for your new project. From the agent beside you can choose any of the LLM model as per choice. I will go with Gemini 3, the latest version. I am inside my new created folder now. Simply I will write a quick and clear prompt to generate a landing page for a fitness website. As you can see, it has started generating my code. Meanwhile, it is even showing me all the implementation plan and what all tasks will be performed. Our code for the website is ready. Now we need to check how our website looks like. For that we will first install our live server extension to view the output. Wow! It looks amazing. This website is created in just 1 or 2 minutes. If you found this video helpful, do like this video, share with your friends and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next informative video. Bye!